How to set wallpaper in Snapchat. Hello everyone and welcome back. Did you know you could set up wallpaper on your Snapchat with a conversation with a friend? Yes, to do this, just tap open Snapchat and log in. Go to the conversation where you want to add the wallpaper, tap on their name, and under our chat you will see wallpaper option. Tap on it. Here are different options to change wallpaper. The very first one is recommended, the next one is camera roll, and the third is saved in chat. You'll have to keep in mind that some of such wallpaper are locked, and to activate it, you might have to upgrade your plan to Snapchat Plus. However, there are also some free wallpapers available. Just tap open it and see the preview. After that, click on confirm, and if you go back to the conversation, the wallpaper has been set up. So this is all for today's video. If you got any queries, do not hesitate to drop on the comment section. Till then, keep watching and do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you.